Hi traders, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex introducing my new ribbon surfing system. And this is another color-coded trading system, which I like to trade with color because it makes it easy for the brain to process information, and at a glance you can know what you should be doing. So trading with color is the only way I trade, and I set up my trading systems according to color. So for the ribbon surfing system, you have aqua bars for going long and pink bars for going short. And in this case, we have the black line is an 89 moving average and the white line is a 21 moving average, and it draws the ribbon fill here for you, and I've color coordinated it with the trend bars. So in the upper main window, you can see that we have a cross of the white line going above the black, and the bars are aqua, so that would be a long entry. And here we're experiencing a short entry, and I just want to show you how it coordinates with the volatility window down below. So for the short entry right now, you have a magenta bar which coordinates with your magenta trend bar. So at a glance you can see these are complementary and they're coordinated, and you can see that the magenta bar has a little bit of a green dot at the top, and that is a volatility indicator, and green means go. So anytime you have a white line cross the black line and the trend bar turns a different color in the main window, and then if you look at the volatility window below, if you have a green dot and a coordinated hot pink bar, then the green dot means go. It means to place your trade and go short in this case. And over here you can see we had an uptrend here. Anytime the white line crosses the black line, it's a major trend change. And you want to drop down, you don't enter automatically, you look at your volatility window. And in this case, you can see the pink bars right before the white line crossed. You have a pale pink bar, which means a change of trend, and then a green bar. These means volatility is strong. But you don't take the trend trade going long here until you get this volatility confirmation, which is the bar has turned aqua, it's on top, and the little dot is green. So that is your trade entry, and you can see it's just a beautiful entry. Now as far as target goes, we're trading between key levels like the bankers, the brokers, and the institutions do. So they trade between key levels. So I have an indicator here that draws your key levels for you. And the dashed blue line is not the major key level. The major key level is the dashed hot pink line, and in this case it's 1.3200. And then the next key level is the blue dashed line, which is 1.3225. Then the next one is 3250, and the next one is 3275. So you can see here, if you look at the way that the trades have bounced between the key levels, you can see going all the way back to the beginning of this chart, you can see that the price reached the key level of 3225 and came down and hit the major key level of 3200, and then we had this is a retracement consolidation area. You never would have entered into a trade because the white line never did cross the black line, so that kept you out of the whipsaw trades. Even though down here you had 3 bars that told you to go long, you wouldn't have done it because the white line never crossed the black line. So that's a 21 EMA that needs to cross the black line for a major trend change. And so here you can see that the price did bounce off the major key level of 3200, and you had your buy entry right here, and then your first target would have been the dashed green line, which is 3225, and then your second target was 3250, which it did hit. And you can see we're forming an M pattern here because the price bounced off the 3250 twice. You can see here and here. That means it can't break through, so now the price is coming back down, and we've already hit the 3225. This pink candle, that wasn't much of a trade, but your next target would be 3200. So as long as everything stays bearish, you would be in this trade, and your first target would be the 3200, which we know if the bankers and the institutions trade between key levels, we know that the price will be pushed down to 3200. So you can take profit here and just wait. It shouldn't take very long. And so this is the new ribbon surfing system where we're trading between key levels, and we trade based on volatility. Everything is color coordinated. That's how I like to trade. And everything is very safe. I'm trading in a 15-minute chart, which I recommend for your absolute best trades. This is like not scalping, and it's not swing trading, it's day trading. So I think the 15-minute chart really is the best chart time frame for trading this system. That's what I recommend. So I hope that you go ahead and purchase this, because it's going to make your trading really easy, really stress-free. You can see at a glance exactly what you need to do. You know that you're only going to be taking trades when the white line crosses the black line, and when you have a green dot with the color confirmation of the bars. So green means go and pink means wait. So that's the volatility indicator. So you shouldn't have any trouble making lots of profitable trades with this new trading system. So I hope you go ahead and click the buy button below, and when you purchase, you'll be receiving lots of training videos in the PDF, and we have a one-click auto installer so that you don't have to worry about installing this. The template comes loaded with all of the indicators, and the one-click installer will automatically place your files into the correct folders in your MT4 platform. And we'll see you on the inside, and thanks very much for watching, and enjoy the trading system.